In this video, we are going to make some Amish Rhubarb Lemonade. It's plain and simple, just like us folks, and it's going to make you say, "Summer, here we come." Yes, please. Let's get to making it. To make Amish Rhubarb Lemonade, we need 3 cups of chopped rhubarb, 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup of sugar, 4 cups of water, and lemon to garnish, and with fresh mint. So we have 3 cups of chopped rhubarb, and along with our 4 cups of water. We're going to bring this up to a boil, then reduce to a simmer for 15 minutes. So we're going to reduce to a simmer and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So now we're going to strain through a sieve into the bowl, if that's possible. Hold, please. Since I'm known for messes, we're just going to ladle it, because don't think we need...
How do you move the sieve around?
Huh?
Move the sieve like this way.
Okay. Well, that's smarter. So we're just going to strain it through this sieve. And maybe take our ladle here and press the liquid through. Because the water is where our flavor is. Then after you're done draining the water, you can throw your rhubarb to the chickens or your compost pile. Then we're going to add our 1 cup of sugar.
Did you say before if this makes 1 gallon or half a gallon?
I don't know yet. Maybe at least a quart, because we put in a quart of water and a cup of lemon juice.
Well, I know like 1 cup of sugar is probably at least a half gallon, at least.
So make sure your sugar's dissolved. Then we're going to add our lemon juice. That is definitely sweet. Woo! So we're not going to add any more sugar to that. But I'm sure over ice it's going to be very nice. All right. We're going to add our nice lemon slices. And pour our juice, lemonade, into our pitcher. Oh, I highly recommend this chilled for 2 hours before serving, and definitely needs ice to make it cold and enjoy.
I'm excited for this. It's sweet.
So we can definitely add some ice to make it nice, and it'll still be, but
Yes.
but it has good flavor.
Yeah, it's lots of rhubarb, but it's sweet rhubarb, and the lemon's good too.
So you would drink that on a cold, refreshing day?
Oh yes.
Cold, refreshing day. It would be cold and refreshing on a hot summer day.
Yeah, it would be.
Oh. But it's very good.
It's very good.
If you enjoyed this rhubarb video, may I suggest you watching this next? Take care and God bless.